Okay, today I'm talking about this 2005 Rav4 sun visor. And what happens is after 15 years, when you hit a bump in the road, it comes down on its own. It doesn't stay up. And the reason for that is inside there's a mechanism that breaks, and there's no way to get in without cutting the thing up. So what I'm going to do today is cut the thing up and see if we can put it back together in any way, and then glue it back together. If you care about aesthetics, you can get them for about $120 shipped, which is what I just did. So I don't need this one anymore. I just thought it might be fun to see what we can do, to have a spare or whatever. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so now I've cut a little access hole in the top. I probably need to cut away a little more over here. And this is just the outside cloth that I'm cutting right now. There's a hard plastic interior, and then we're looking to go inside of that to see what we're up against. So I'm just gonna use my Leatherman blade, my serrated Leatherman blade, and pry this open if I can get in here. Okay, looks like this might have to come out. Oh, let me get in here. Okay, it's pressed. Well, at this point, I'm giving up on making a repair to this one. I think my goal now is just to see if I can get inside and at least show you guys how to maybe get in without destroying the next one that you work on. Or maybe not. Maybe it's not possible. Okay, there's the mirror. Pops up, slides out. Any secrets to how to get in here? Okay. Alrighty. Starting to make some progress there. As you see, there's this okay. So okay. So apparently there's some release tabs that you gotta push down to slide this out. This is the extension sun visor. And then once that's out, maybe I'm just gonna rip it. So we can see what we're up against here. Okay. So this wants to be lifted from the bottom and rolled out once the extension sun visor's out. And voila. Okay. So other than the gray cloth or whatever color your interior is, you really don't have to cut this to get inside. You can, again, work around the edge and pop. There's these inserts and tabs that line up together. And we'll just set this aside. And this is the mechanism we're talking about here. Oh boy. So there's grease and grease. And so looks like we're missing some plastic. No, maybe not. Yeah. So there's missing plastic right here. It could be deeper in where this is separated. But I'm going to take this all the way apart so we can see why this was falling down every time you hit a bump in the road. Okay. So. Yeah. Okay. So over the years, it appears there's a little missing piece of plastic right in there. You can see that up close. And then looks like just this metal piece has lost tension. This metal piece right here has lost its tension over the years. It presses in right here. And that's what has rigidity and that keeps the mechanism up in the air. Anyways, I say just break down, give them $120, or get some sunglasses and take the whole visor out. It's definitely a safety hazard worth looking at. You can't just deal with pushing it up every time it bumps down, because what if something else is going on? And I chose to fix it the expensive way. There really is no cheap way, and it's unfortunate. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.